up? Connor Halligan here. We're down here in Taupō in the back of our workshop where we do all the work on our drift cars. Stoked to announce that Zeknova is on board with D1 as a control tyre for 2025, as well as coming on board with us again. So I'm going to be running the JR 500 again, same as last year. Had real good success on this tyre last year. It's real sticky, it's got deep tread, heaps of rubber on there, and a designed sidewall for on and off throttle side bite, which is what I like the most about it. It just gives me real good confidence in the car, no matter what's going on. Earlier in the year, we got the Sunday Drive project done. Myself, Sam West driving, Thomas behind the scenes with the whole crew, getting it organised, getting it done. Massive task, to be honest, to do that on a public road, but well worth it, sick experience. You can probably tell, comp car's not here at the moment. That's why this little unit here is filling the void for us, as well as my mate's car in the background that we're also building for him. That's touge S14 as well. He's getting on that proven buzz. My car's actually at the panel beater, getting straightened up. Got a few tweaks last season, so got some pretty epic plans for that. Upgrades all around it, but more to come on that later.
Mark your calendars. D1NZ 2025, a season you won't forget.